Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best recurve bow. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Dostyle Archery Takedown Recurve Bow. Dostyle Recurve Bow comes only in a 40 pounds. Drawback weight design. However, you can opt for just the bow and arrows or choose to purchase a quiver or a full set. The premium set includes a riser, 2 bow limbs, a bowstring, 12 arrows, a stabilizer, a pin bow sight, an arm guard, a finger guard, archery target nail pins, 6 target faces, an Allen wrench, and a 3-tube quiver. This gives you everything you need to get started on the right foot. Number 2. TOPARCHERY Archery 56 Takedown Hunting Recurve Bow. TOPARCHERY recurve bow comes in 5 drawback weight options, including 30 pounds, 35 pounds, 40 pounds, 45 pounds and 50 pounds. However, the bow is only made for right-handed users. The main body of the bow is made out of fiberglass and maple. It's not only attractive and lightweight but incredibly durable as well. The total length of the bow is 56 inches with a riser length of 17 inches and a limb length of 53 inches. The maximum draw length is 30 inches. You can also breathe a little easier if you purchase this bow because the manufacturer has some protections in place. Number 3. KAINOKAI Traditional Handmade Longbow Horsebow. KAINOKAI comes in 2 design types, including Black Warrior and Red Dragon. The Black Warrior design leans on solid black lines while the Red Dragon design features smaller details such as scales. Both of these designs are available in the different iterations of the bow as well. Whether you opt for the lowest, 25 pounds, drawback weight or the full 55 pounds, you'll have the same quality to depend on. Another advantage is that this model can be used in either your right or left hand. You don't have to worry about buying the right iteration because the bow's design is ambidextrous. Number 4. Gonex Takedown Recurve Bow. You can purchase Gonex Recurve Bow in 3 different drawback weights, including 40 pounds, 45 pounds and 50 pounds. Each model has a sleek black design that isn't going to show wear and tear easily. It has a maximum draw length of 30 inches and a total bow length of 56 inches. The limbs are made out of layered maple and fiberglass for a durable but flexible design. The limbs of the bow can be quickly removed too. This makes storage and transportation much simpler and it allows you to send in part of your bow for repair as needed rather than the whole thing. Number 5. Southwest Archery Tigershark Takedown Recurve Bow. A lot of bows can be taken down, but that doesn't mean they are designed to be taken down and put back together repetitively in the field. To make a bow that can be disassembled and reassembled easily, you have to design the bow with specific features and strong points to prevent failure and make everything line up accurately. Southwest Archery may be a new company to the bow world, but they have nailed the takedown system.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.